I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into Instagram on the web, follow these steps to get back into your account. Step 1. Check your username and password. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password. Sometimes a simple typo can cause login failures. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, click on Forgot Password to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a reset link via email. Step 3. Clear your browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can resolve issues caused by outdated files. Go to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable them to see if that resolves the login issue. Step 5. Try a different browser. If all else fails, try logging in using a different web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can prevent successful logins. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Instagram. Good luck and happy posting!